Now let us go for the next question. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed by leaving equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. As shown in the figure, find the area of the shaded region. So nothing, very easy question. Look at here carefully. So this is a circle. So actually, so they left the region like this, and actually this is a design region, so there will be a design something like this. There will be a design. It's not looking like the design, but consider this as the design. So there will be a design something like this. So we need to what they told. So find the area of the design. This design region we have to calculate. That means from the circle we need to eliminate this triangle area. So what type of triangle they have given? So in a circular 32 centimeter design form leaving equilateral triangle. This is a triangle ABC. It is a equilateral triangle. So now, so there is a center here O. So see what I am going to do. So first let us draw. So I don't know the length of the side here. I know only the what cover of radius I know. So radius is what there, 32 centimeters. If the radius is 32 centimeters, what can I write, or how could I write? So here let us take radius is equal to 32 centimeter. So now I apply some principle here to find the length of the side. What I am going to do, let us see. So here, as per as my noun concept, so only radius there. So with the help of radius only I need to find the length of the side. So further what I am doing is, let us take ABC and take a point D here, that is the median midpoint. So drop the median here. So here O is the center of the circle. So what is the principle? So centroid divides the triangle in the ratio of 2:1. Actually this is 2:1 ratio. But so look at here carefully. If you want to write the relation of the AD, that means median, in terms of the AO, what is going to be? Let me check it out. So AO I can write it as 2/3 of total AD. 2/3 of total AD. See, this is 2:1 ratio. That means, so if AD is 3 parts, then AO is what? So from here to here length is what? So what can I write? Of course, this will be the midpoint. These for the if you drop the equilateral triangle, this will become the centroid also. That is the reason. So AO we can write it as, so 2/3 of, that means 2 parts we have to take out of the 3 parts. 2 parts we have to take out of the 3 parts from the AD. So this is the noun concept of I applied. So but I don't want this value AO. I want AD. AO already I have. Now AD I can write it as 3/2 of AO or OA. So 3/2 of, what is the value of OA? The value of OA is 32. So 2 1s are 2, 16s are. So the value of AD will become 48 centimeters. See, so I got the length of the median, that is 48 centimeters. So median is equal to 48 centimeter. So look at here carefully. If I take, so I need to find the side, actually side length. So let us take this as x, and this is also going to be as x. Obviously it will become x/2, and this will become x/2. We know the concept that in an equilateral triangle, median and the altitude and the angular bisector, everything will be same. That means this will become median and also perpendicular, that means altitude also. So from triangle ABD, so this is the triangle ABD. So from the triangle ABD, what can I write? This will be x, this will be x/2. My intention is to find x. Why? Length of the side I taken as x here. So and the length of AD is what? 48 centimeter. So let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. It is a right angle triangle. So now I can write it as x square is equal to x/2 whole square plus 48. That is x square is equal to x square by 4, 48 square, sorry, plus 48 square. So now it can be given as, send this x square by 4 this side. X square minus x square by 4 is equal to 48 into 48. Still I can write it as 4 into x square is 4x square. That will be 3x square by 4 is equal to 48 into 48. X square is equal to 48 into 48 by 4 upon 3. So this will be 3 1s are 3 16s are. it can be given as x square is equal to what is this value, 16. This is 16 into 3 into 16 into 4 I can write. So 16 into 3 into 16 into 4 means this can be given as 16 to the 32. That will be 32 root 3 you will get if you send that under the square root. Am I right? So this will be 16 3 is 48, 16 into 4, 3x square by 4 is equal to 4 upon 3, 3 1 is 3, 16 is. So this will be x square is equal to 16 into 16 is there and 4 is there. So 16 square into 2 square into 3 I can write. 16 square into 4 is 2 square into 3. So x is equal to square root of 16 into 2 whole square into 3. So this will be x is equal to square root of 16 into 2 whole square is 32 square into root 3. Square root cancelled. So applied individually, this will become 32 root 3. So we don't have little clarity. Nothing to worry about it. 32 root 3. Now area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. So what is the area here? Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. This will be root 3 by 4 into side square is just now we calculated. What is that? 32 root 3 whole square. So 32 root 3 whole square means how can I write? Root 3 by 4 into 1 minute. Root 3 by 4 into 32 square I can write as 32 into 32. Root 3 square I can write as 3. So still I can write this one as 4 1s and 4 8s. 4 1s and 4 8s. So this value will become what is this? Root 3 into 3 8s 24. 24 into 32. 24 into 32. 48 plus 72. Look at here. 4 1s are 4, 8s are we got. This will become, otherwise 32 3s are 96. 96 into 8 we have to do. That will be 768. Anyhow, we can do this 768 root 3. This is the area of the equilateral triangle. Now what we have to do? See, from this total circle, we need to eliminate this triangle area. So what is the area of the circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square means what? 22 by 7 into, so radius. What is the value of radius here? So they have given already in the question only 32 into 32. 7 1s are 7 8s are. So this will become 22 into 8 into pi 22 by 7, sorry 32. So it will be like that only. 22 by 7 into 32 is a 1024 and 1024 into 22 by 7, 22 into 1024 by 7. This will be 1024 to the 2048, again 2048. You will get this value as 8 12 5 2 2 2 5 2 8 you will get. So 22528 divided by 7 centimeter square. Now the area of that what we call area of the what we want, this design is equal to total minus triangle area. Total is what? Total circle area is 22528 by 7 minus what about this triangle area? 768 root 3. 768 root 3. Still if you want to do, you do one thing only, divide by 7 and divide this one by 768 into 1.7. If you leave this like this also no problem. Why? Root 3 value is 1.732 and subtract both of them. Once again I am telling, if you want to do still, divide by 7, this will be 768 into 1.7 you have to do. So leave take it as 17 and after getting that value take a point and subtract them. You will get the area in centimeters square. So this is all about the question. Once again I am telling nothing, just they have given the circle, we need to find the length of the median. So length of the median of equilateral triangle, if it is the centroid, so only one thing you have to remember. So if m is the median, am is to md is equal to 2 is to 1. By using that only I written oa is equal to 2 by 3 of ad. That means this is 2 part, this is 1 part. Out of the 3 parts, am is the 2 parts. So out of the 3 parts, am is the 2 parts from AD. This principle I used.